said he wanted a rum and coke.
Just try the apple, buddy.
It tastes like rum.
Oh yeah, turn it around.
Oh God, it tastes like coke. This is amazing.
You're welcome. You get a gin and tonic? You got it. Gin and tonic. Enjoy. I asked for gin and tonic.
Trust me, it's worth it.
Oh, it tastes like gin. There you go. Turn it around. Oh, it tastes like tonic. It's like my favorite way to get drunk now.
It's amazing.
Hey, buddy, what can I get for you?
1 sec, can't decide.
Sure.
No matter what you want, this guy's got an apple for every taste.
Yeah, just believe, man. Order one.
Jeez. Okay. In that case, do you have an apple that tastes like pussy?
Do I have an apple that tastes like pussy? Is that what you're talking about?
That tastes like shit.
Turn it around.
It's like I'm back in Thailand.